Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Our project for today is doing some work on the New Holland 401 crimper. When we baled hay last time, after we finished using the crimper, looking at it, the lower roller had some bearing issues. Bearing on one side was gone completely. Then the other side, it was in pretty bad shape. So went to the local dealer, got some bearing kits, some parts. So we get this back together, get that lower roller reinstalled. You can see some new collars here, new Woodruff key, bearing, lock collar, everything. Basically, there's two sets of this, same parts, one for each side. And then you can see some of the old parts here. Just the old stuff was in bad shape, so should run a lot smoother now. Okay, got the right side done. New bearing in, new plates, collar. Just need to put the lock collar on still. Everything just bolted up real loose, just till I get the left side done. I didn't record this side. I couldn't keep myself out of the way of the camera, so there's not a lot of room to work in here. So that's what it looks like, just loosely bolted up. I'll record it as I tighten up the 4 flange bolts and get the lock collar on there. We'll get that recorded, but we'll jump over, work on the left side now. All right, get the left sides all loosely assembled now. Had to take it apart once because I forgot to put the lock collar on, which is this piece right in here. But pulled it out, got the lock collar in, sprockets in, Woodruff keys in, and 4 bolts are hand tight threaded in. So we go through, do some final alignment, make sure we're centered up, make sure our sprockets lined up with the chain. Then we can torque the flanges down and get the lock collars torqued and set. And then I'll have to loosen up the chain tensioner, get the chain fed around. And that should be about it. Okay, we gotta loosen up the chain tensioner here so I have enough slack to get the chain wrapped around the sprocket. Actually broke this loose a second ago, so. There's not enough room in any of these spots in here to actually get a socket in on anything. So I gotta use the open end wrench. All right, this side is complete. The only thing left to do is just tighten that locking collar all the way. I just want to verify that we're centered up. But Okay, finished up. All the flanges tightened up, lock collars in and tightened. This is the right side. Move the light over. You can see the left side. Get the sprocket in place. Chain tightened back up. Walk the tractor up to here and do a quick little test run. Okay, well, seems to be running like it should. It's always been a noisy machine with the metal rollers, but it seems to be running smooth. We'll see here if we can get a stretch of some dry weather to get some hay knocked down. We'll run it through the field and see how it does. Thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.